everyone, how are you all? I hope you all are doing well. I welcome you again to an interesting DIY video where you are going to learn some interesting unique crafts. See, with the help of the paper, we have developed an envelope sheet, and then with the help of row, you can just decorate it further and your envelopes are ready. Proceeding in this way, you have to make the lines in this manner and give your paper a zigzag fold from backward and forward, and you will get creases like this. Now what you have to do, you have to put the papers in this way and your DIY craft is damn ready. And if you open it, you will get an amazing look. Isn't it looking amazing? You can put pen, paper, anything you would like in your purse. Proceeding in this manner, let's see what are we gonna do. You have to give your paper a folds like this, triangular folds, and then make it look like this, a curvy shape. And let's see what are we gonna do. You just have to make a box like this. Again, what are we gonna do? You just have to take another paper and then give it folds like this. Again, you have to give it these folds from upper side, and then you have to just give it another side fold. You have to get the creases in this manner and lines in this manner, and let's see what are we gonna do then. Keep on giving the folds and folding the paper further. You will get an amazing beautiful shape like this and paste your boxes inside it. Isn't it amazing? You can just play with it and open it and close it. Proceeding in this manner, you again have to take a square sheet and then give it creases and folds in the paper like this. And let's see what are we gonna do next. Keep on giving the folds and fold it from the top bottom and then give it some folds in this manner. Just put it inside and your box is ready. Put it like this and your bag is damn ready to go. Isn't it looking so cute, DIY craft? Keep on proceeding in the video and let's see again what are we gonna make, what type of boxes or what exactly are we gonna create. Give it the paper a fold like this from both the sides, and from upper side as well you have to fold the paper in this manner so as to get box like shape. And again you have to take another sheet of paper and give it folds like this. You have to give the fold from upper and lower bottom, and then from the sides as well you have to fold the paper and roll it like this, and in the end you will get an amazing result. Just keep the boxes inside and your craft is damn ready. You can put your cover lid from it. Can give it folds like this, and again you just have to fold the paper in this manner, a triangular shape, and then you will get an amazing result. Let's see what are we gonna do. You just have to fold the paper in this manner from upper side and lower side and then give it folds like this. Again what you have to do, you just have to give the folds one over the other, and then let's see what are we gonna get in the end. Just paste it further, and yes, it is like this. You can make a pretty box in this way, and yes, you have to just give the fold from the side, from upper side, and then just put it inside and your bag is ready to go. Isn't it looking so cute and cute, DIY crafts? You can just make it further. Now what you have to do, you have to make the folds like this and make the paper, make a curvy shape in this manner and give it cut out in this way. When you open it, you will get an amazing beautiful result like this, a snowfall. Now let's see, you have to take a designer sheet in this manner, fold it like this, and let's see what in the end are we going to get, what exactly are we going to get. When you open it, you will get a beautiful amazing result. Roll it further and your craft is ready. Thank you.